Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get into public policy. Begin by mapping local issues, identifying your passion, and setting a clear career goal. Build foundational skills in research, writing, and data interpretation. Volunteer or intern with local offices to gain real experience. Network with practitioners, attend hearings, and join civic groups. Regularly publish brief policy memos to showcase your thinking and attract mentors and opportunities. Stay persistent. Setting up is key, so build a square wall with all tiles and decide wind order clockwise. Remove one seat, set a dead wall of 14 tiles, and deal 13 tiles to each player, giving the dealer 14 when start. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a smart helper with voice control that saves time cleaning so you can focus on coding or trading. It navigates rooms efficiently and handles pet hair well. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab yours if interested. Now let's get back to the video. After creating
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.